DNS Security Policy went GA in July 2025, and most customers I speak to have never heard of it. What does it give you? Threat intelligence. Microsoft curates a feed of known malicious domains, domain filtering, custom allow and block lists, full DNS query logging into log analytics, and CNAME chasing so attackers can't hide behind redirect chains. All built directly into Azure DNS. No firewall, no resolver, no dedicated subnets. Let me walk you through it. If you're running a hub and spoke network, and most of you are, here's the pattern. Your spoke VNets forward DNS to the hub, whether that's a private resolver, domain controller, or Azure Firewall with DNS proxy. The hub VNet sends those queries into Azure DNS on the 168 address. Link the DNS security policy to that hub VNet, and it intercepts every query at the Azure DNS layer. All spoke traffic flows through the hub, so you get coverage across your entire network from a single policy. You can also enable it on individual spoke VNets if you prefer, but for most customers, the hub is the simplest approach. The specific DNS target in the hub doesn't matter. Private resolver, Azure Firewall as DNS proxy, a domain controller, a third-party server, they all sit inside the hub VNet. When they resolve DNS, the queries hit Azure DNS on the 168 address. The policy intercepts right there at the Azure DNS layer. That's the key insight. It inspects the actual DNS resolution, not the forwarding hop. All of this logs straight into log analytics. You can write KQL queries against your DNS traffic, build dashboards, set up alerts, same tooling you'd use for anything else in Azure. Here's a typical query. A lot of customers already have Azure Firewall in their hub for L3 through L7 filtering, all the things it's designed for. But many also enable DNS proxy just to get query login. Here's the thing, if your entire DNS path goes through the firewall and it hits capacity issues, that impacts DNS across your whole environment. Big blast radius for a login function. DNS Security Policy gives you a purpose-built alternative, native DNS login, filtering, and threat intelligence without routing through the firewall. One caveat, if you use FQDM-based network rules, you still need DNS proxy for that. But for DNS login and security, the firewall isn't the right tool. Here's what it looks like deployed. This is a live DNS security policy in the Azure portal. You can see the block rule, the domain list, and the VNet link connecting the policy to the hub. It takes about 5 minutes to set up. To wrap up, Azure DNS Security Policy, GA since July 2025, consumption-based pricing. Enable it on your hub VNet and you get threat intelligence, domain filtering, and full DNS login across all your spokes. A gap most Azure customers have missed, and one of the easiest security wins you can deploy. Links on screen, give it a go. Hope that helped.